All right, taking the cause of our scientists and especially Tapan Misra for the past several days, it's in fact an ongoing campaign of NewsX ever since that very viral social media letter was brought about by Tapan Misra. Joining me on the broadcast at this point of time, K. Siddhartha, earth scientist and strategic thinker. Welcome on the show. Very serious matter, crucial concern, and high time it is our government, central government and the ISRO organization comes out, makes a statement and does something proactively.
Yes, it is indeed serious. You must understand that scientists are such type of communities that have the potential to change the complexion of any country's economy, any country's perspective. That's largely because of innovation, and they do require a very soft hands to handle itself because it's a creative mind, and they work best and they function best in a milieu that is going to be very encouraging, that is going to be free of any danger, and that is also going to be very encouraging as well. Any type of stress ultimately goes into affect the creative thinking of this type of scientist. Now it's a serious, doubly serious, largely because you can imagine if any country happens to obtain any type of small information which goes on to give an idea about the designs of what exactly India is trying to do and trying to safeguard itself, then of course that goes into concerned country's security. The second is that it goes into concerned countries' economic development also, largely because a lot of things are now based on whatever space, whatever domain in which space is working right now. In whatever domain, the creative content with respect to space is going to be doing. For example, maybe that we are trying to develop a certain type of a model with respect to agriculture development by taking care of the type of diseases that the crops are going to be affected by. And scientists happen to be developing it, and that can go on to be an idea that has the potential to change the complexion of the world and agriculture. Now, if that is somehow not going to be safeguarded and by the scientists, largely because they come under so much amount of stress and they are not like hardened criminals. You must understand they are not like hardened criminals who can go on to bear such type of stress. And that's the reason that it is very, very serious matter indeed. So
yeah. And a serious matter, and something of the sort has been happening time after time after time, decades after decades.
Repeat the question, please.
My question, last closing comments from you. RVS Mani going ahead and saying declare our scientists as human assets, bring about protocols especially with regards to safeguarding their lives.
Yes, I completely agree with it. I completely agree with it. See, there can be many forms of protocols that can be established with respect to scientists, and particularly those who are in sensitive areas. One can be giving them a type of an identity card with which they can go to connect themselves to a very high security surveillance of themselves by the police, by the SP of this region, and that can be, it can go to be something like a hot connection with all of the security agencies. That is going to be one of them.
Okay.
Second is identifying a group of scientists who are actually going to be vulnerable to this type of wheeling and dealing by some of these bully satraps in this region. That's the second part. Third part will be associated with forming a layer of security cordon around all of those people who are going to be in sensitive places. And that can be one layer, second layer, third layer, and then training all of these sensitive scientists who are engaged in such type of activities about what can go on to go wrong and how is it that they can go on to interpret these things which are likely to go wrong, and what can be the indications, what can be the symptoms of certain things going wrong also, which the moment they go on to know these symptoms, it becomes easy for them to have a connection to cover themselves in a security cordon of sorts. And the last will be, of course, changing the perception of the people of the country. Scientists must be treated as heroes. It's not only those people who go on to look handsome, they are heroes. It is scientists like Professor Madhav Nalpat, then scientists who are in the panel of this television channel, they all are going to be heroes. They are the one who go on to make the country, and as has been rightly pointed out by one of those panelists, esteemed panelists, that is, it's the vaccines who are that are going to be made. It is not the people who are going to implement it, it's the people who are going to make these vaccines that are
Absolutely.
important.
You make
Any
very important,
one invention
pertinent
can go on
points.
to have a potential
Extremely
of
pertinent points.
changing
K.
the entire
Siddhartha,
complexion
thank
of
you
a
so much for
country.
joining us on the broadcast. I also thank all my other panelists who have joined me on this very important initiative taken forth by NewsX as a public message. Make people aware that this is exactly what is happening. This is the rut, this is the rot in our scientific community. It needs to be banished with at an urgent basis. On that note, I will slip into a short break. Come right back because we're going ahead and discussing what happened at Washington DC at Capitol Hill. There was rampage, there was carnage, there were riots, all because of one president not looking ahead and conceding that defeat. On that note, I slip into a break. Come right back.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.